Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change region in App Store. So simply I'm provide full guide step by step, so don't skip my video. At first open settings, click on to profile, media and purchase, view account. So look here, showing it to my country and region. So I'm already select France. I'm just change France to United States. Change. Okay, scroll down, select United States, select, click on to agree. Okay, you just fill up your address. If you want to all copy my address and press on to next. Okay, now successfully changed my region. So now I'm check. So look here, now successfully changed my region France to United States. So that's it, that's how we can do it.